So welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are going to unbox a very strange item which you have never seen probably. Just kidding, it's a Casio 8-digit calculator. Let's get into that. So I'm just opening the box here. You can see the calculator is over there. It's a very neat and tidy packing. You have a calculator holder, if you will. You can stick your calculator there and you can use it. Flip it open, flip it close. And this is the actual device. This is solar powered. You can see the solar panel here. It's on now. So I'm going to do some sophisticated computing in this. Yeah, it works. It gives the right number. So this is Casio XS300 8 digits digital calculator, solar powered. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.